Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Microsoft Teams error code caa5004b. Something went wrong, we couldn't sign you in. If the error persists, contact your system administrator and provide the error code caa5004b. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select apps, and then on the right side, select installed apps. In the search apps field, type in Teams. Best match, come back on Microsoft Teams. Select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then advanced options. Scroll down underneath reset. If the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select repair. And then attempt to relaunch Microsoft Teams and see if that has resolved the problem. If not, you can select the second option here, where if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If you select reset here, this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue should have been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.